Well, hi everybody. I thought I'd just do a quick update on what I'm doing to repair that water pump that I spoke about in the last video. We've got a tank outside, which I'll show you now, and this pipe goes into the Caravan, which is sort of electrically connected, and the things are corroded, the connections are corroded. What I've decided to do is to connect these little things onto the end of a drill and see if I can clean up I've got this set up so that they make a small beep when there's connectivity. There seems to be plenty of connectivity down there. So these two connections in here need cleaning up, and these wire brushes seem to be ideal just to fitting in there. So that seems quite wet there. Okay, well that seems to be enough cleaning on that. I think we might well be all right. So I'm just going to pop that back in and then go and have a test. We seem to have water in, so that's probably need some more water, but I'll have a test on that. Well, that seemed to work pretty well. I've cleaned up both the male and the female sides of the connection, and I've just plugged it back in, gone in, switched the pump on, and it's worked first time with no issues at all. It usually takes me a couple of times just to go in, switch the pump on, come back out, jiggle it around a bit so it makes a connection, and then sort of hold it into a place and hope that it keeps working. But this time, plugged it in first time, works, and it's great. So I'm really happy with that. Such a simple repair. Hi guys, and thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe. Check out all our other videos to keep following us on the road.
Thanks everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye. .230 volt, so it's easy to clean that up. Hiya. That's another happy traveller. He's a caravaner just walking by, saying hi. That's one of the things we get when we're out and about and we're filming outside.